Hey guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to add text, how to add images, and all of that fun stuff to different pages on your website, on your Weebly. So the way I'm gonna show you guys, you are going to have to do an About Me assignment. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through how to do that assignment while I'm showing you how to add these different things, these different elements. So just to refresh, most of you should already have your About page built, but just in case you don't or deleted it on accident, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we'll click up here on Pages, which I've already got highlighted and selected. Then I'm going to click this little addition sign. For your About page, that needs to be a standard page. All the other pages we created were blog pages, but this one we're going to make a standard page. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to title it About Me. And I'm going to get rid of the header. The header is just this area right here, this big gray box, essentially. For some of you, depending on the theme that you chose and the different settings that you have, might be a big picture that you didn't take. So I'm going to say no header. All right, so I'm going to click Done, and I'm going to click on Build. Once in Build, these all these little cubes or little rectangles will pop up. It says drag elements here. These are your elements, okay? There's a bunch of different ones. There's the basic elements up here, things like YouTube, all this different stuff. On your About Me project, I asked you to title it, add text, and an image or multiple images. The title element is here, text element is here. Image, if you're just going to add one image, is here. If you're going to add multiple images, you have a couple options. You could do either the gallery selection or the slideshow selection. The gallery selection kind of looks like this, okay, or this. Okay. Slideshow is just a basic slideshow. Okay, so first we're going to add the title element. So we're just going to click and drag that over here. Now notice that blue bar that comes up. That is basically just showing you where it's going to be placed. I like it there at the top of my page, so I'll leave it and I drop. Then I'm going to click inside of the text box to type. All of these different formatting tools pop up, okay? So you can center it, change the color, change the size, underline, bold, italics, all of that stuff is right there. So I'm going to center it, and I'm going to say About Me. Now I can make this bigger if I really want it to stand out. Then I'm going to grab my text tool, and I want this to be underneath my title, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it there. This is where you would answer all of the questions. Okay. Now I'm just going to add one image for the sake of this tutorial, so it takes a little less time just to show you. So I'm going to grab my image element. I could drag this above my text, okay? See how it that bar appears above it. So I could go ahead and do that if I wanted. I could put it below, or I can come over here and put it to the side. You can kind of see that blue line right there. That's showing me that's going to go over there. So then it says upload image. So I'm going to click on that. It says you can either drag the photo there or upload a photo from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to say upload. I'm going to go to desktop, and I'm going to select my photo. Say open, and it will upload the photo for me. And then there's my photo of my sweet 3 kids. Well, my 2 kids and Batman. So there's that, and then I can go in and I can number, I can put a bulleted list, again, changing the colors, underlining, all of that. So that's how you just do the basic adding and taking away. Okay, you can just hover over anything that you've already added, and the little X will delete it if you've added it too many times or whatever the case may be. That's how you get text and images onto your Weebly site. And if I wanted to continue, I could add a bunch of different things, and you can kind of scroll through and see what else Weebly has to offer. But at least for this assignment, that's all you're going to need to do. And for most of our projects, that's all you're going to need to do is add either slideshows, galleries, images, and text. Make sure you hit publish when you're finished. Otherwise, I will not be able to see any of the changes that you have made.